What's up, guys? Today we got my 2018 Jeep Wrangler custom interior. Centers this nice, beautiful seat cover right here. It's high quality, and we got the black with the red insert and red stitching. It looks pretty good, man. And it's pretty simple to install. It's just some clips. It slides over the OEM style seat and fits perfect. I highly recommend them. They're high quality and they look good in your ride. So go ahead and order some yourself. We got the OEM seats right here. They're a little wrinkled, little rips in them, discoloration. We're gonna go ahead and install the new interior. You have to remove the headrest. Go ahead and install your headrest cover. Look how nice that is, man. That's so clean. I highly recommend these seat covers. Go ahead and tap in with custom interior and extreme online store. Look at how good they are, man. They fit perfect. Look at this little pouch right here. It's like OEM style.